Today we are going to make an origami goldfish. So the things you'll need is paper. It could be any color really. And we need googly eyes or a Sharpie. You could do googly eyes or a Sharpie, it's your choice. So let's start. Let's just fold the paper in. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm making a square.
That's not a square, that's a triangle.
Come on, don't you know that two triangles together makes a square? See, one triangle, another triangle.
I trust you. So this
You better trust me.
is the right way.
So basically, you know that, right? Two triangles make a square.
So
So
here
first
can-
triangle, second triangle makes a square. Oh yeah, make sure that's good and perfect for the triangle.
This one first time.
See, always try overlapping one line over the other so that you get a perfect.
It's okay if you're not perfect.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I
we
saw
just
you
have to
though.
cut the excess part. So just try folding it in the opposite direction. Like this, you know.
We are going to cut our papers. Here we got our papers cut. So now, what do we do next? Yeah, we just have to fold it half really.
Okay. And then?
And then try to match the corners. Fold it like this. Yeah, you're doing it faster than me.
I know.
Okay, we open it again. See, you just made a line here, and then we follow that line, and down we
Yeah,
go.
you mean like this?
Yeah, perfect.
And then?
We make it to the other side too.
Oh, okay.
Same to the other side. You gotta make it symmetrical. This is a tricky part. So you have to put your thumb inside this hole here. Yeah, open it. See, we have to just push this down, open it, and then press it down.
Okay.
So, like this. Now
Oh,
to the
I
other
get it.
side.
Oh, another side?
Yeah. We're making a goldfish.
Oh yeah, we have to make sure this line touches this line.
Yeah.
Like this.
Try to make it touch this line too, so it's like going down.
Oh, you
Turn the paper over.
Uh-huh.
So we turn the paper over.
And then fold this back.
See, we made a line there, right? We just fold that line.
Uh-huh.
And you can tilt it as much as you want, because I'm tilting it a lot.
Yeah, just take this point as reference. Wherever this is touching, you just have to fold it in this way.
Okay. Now we fold it. It's a little boat. We have to take our boat, and it should be about like 2 pieces now. And then turn it over, and then fold this half. See, this half up, so it's symmetrical again.
Oh, you mean like this?
Yeah, you just fold. Yeah.
Okay.
You guys can pause the video if you have trouble.
This actually looks like a boat.
I know. Okay, now we have to fold one of each point. And now we have we have one here and one here at the back. So
And then flip it over.
flip it over. Yep.
And then fold it in
Fold
the
it
same
back.
way. It has to be something like this.
You have to put your hand in the middle and then
Like
see
this?
like this. See, you see the half?
Oh, this
Put your
looks
2
good.
fingers. It's a fish. And if you really want to make it pretty, you can color it and things, and you could even make finger puppets like this.
Ooh. Okay, this is cool.
Okay,
Actually,
so now let's make our eyes. You could also use a Sharpie.
I'm just going with Sharpie.
You could use any.
I'm putting an eye.
So there we go.
The fish is hungry, okay?
Actually, my fish is not hungry. It doesn't need a mouth. It's closing its mouth, so you can't see. So there you have it. It's our fishies.
Oh, let me color this.
And if you want to color it, you could just color it. It's very easy. As you want, you can color it.
Oh, my fish looks good.
So now, our fishies want to swim away, so thank you for watching.